Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how I make tray platter, Nigerian party pleasing platter. Exactly what you see on the screen. Keep watching and see how I prepare this tray platter. It must be served in Nigerian parties. So let's dive into it, everyone. So to make this tray platter, I need 1 kilo of goat meat. Next, I will go ahead and wash and cut the goat meat. And after cutting my goat meat, I will transfer it into a clean pan, and then to season it, I will add 1 tablespoonful of all-purpose seasoning, half teaspoon of salt, a drizzle of thyme. Next, I will go ahead and add my blended garlic, ginger, onions together. Next, I will add 2 leaves of bay leaf and onions, and then cover to simmer for 10 minutes. While that is aside, I will go ahead and cut and peel after washing the yam. Keep watching. If this is your first time, keep watching, and if you are returning, thanks for returning. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and share my videos to your friends and families. All the ingredients for this recipe will be at the description box down below. So on a tray platter we have yam, so keep watching and see how I cut and prepare this yummy recipe together. Cook with me, everyone. So after washing my yam, I go ahead and cut them into the shape you were seeing on the screen. And after cutting it, I will transfer it into a bowl and give it a rinse. Then after I rinse it, I will leave it in a bowl and add tablespoonful of salt and allow it to sit for 30 minutes. While that is aside, I will check my goat meat using a stick to flip it to the other part and allow it to cook for 20 minutes. Then for the sauce, I will use some scotch bonnet pepper, 4 bulbs of onions. I will cut this into a desirable shape for the blender, and it will be roughly blended. So keep watching, all my dear friends and families. I will set this aside and then go ahead to continue to prepare the goat meat. At this point, the goat meat is properly cooked, so I will transfer it into a strainer and allow it to cool. Keep watching, everyone, and don't go away, and don't mind my voice. I have some what will I call it, and I have cough actually. On a clean pan, I'll go ahead and add some vegetable oil, and when it gets hot, I will add onions to add flavor to our goat meat. Then once the oil gets hot, I will go ahead and add my already cooked goat meat and allow to fry for just 10 minutes on a high heat. You don't need to fry this very well for our party platter, tray platter, Nigerian platter, party pleasing tray platter, everyone. So after frying, I'll set it aside and then drain the water from my yam and get it ready to be fried. Because I added salt to soak it, no need to add more salt. So while that is aside, on a clean pan, I will add 60 ml of vegetable oil to fry the sauce to go with the yam and the goat meat. Keep watching, don't go away. So I will mix this to combine for 2 minutes on a high flame, and after that I will add half teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning 1/2 teaspoon of salt and continue to mix to combine. And after that, I will cover this to cook for 5 minutes on a high heat. After 5 minutes, I will open and mix to combine. And at this point, you notice it is dry, so I will be setting some aside. After this, I will set some aside for the sauce, and then the rest will be used to garnish our goat's meat for the tray platter, everyone. So at this point, I will add the goat meat bit by bit and mix to combine. Hello, all my Jenny subscribers. Thanks so much for your wonderful support. I really appreciate. And if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, thanks for returning back. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and watch the ads. Yummy recipes are updated every week on this very channel. So I will mix this and allow to heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will go ahead and garnish with onions and some cucumber. As while that is aside, on a clean pan, after adding my vegetable oil, when it gets hot, I go ahead and fry the yam on a high flame for 20 to 30 minutes. Once it dries, I go ahead and transfer it into a strainer to drain the oil. And next, I will go ahead and fry the corn dog for the tray platter. If you want to know how I make this corn dog from the scratch, I will leave the link, the first link on how to make your corn dog. Please do click to watch and leave your comment. So after frying, to arrange our tray platter, first I will add my already fried yam. Next, I will go in with my pepper goat meat. Ah man, this is super yummy and delicious. The aroma was all over the kitchen. And next, I added the corn dog. Then for the tray platter, this is how I set my tray platter. First is the goat meat. Next is the fried, crunchy but juicy yam, and then my corn dog, and then the sauce to go with the yam, and everything is set. Alright, thanks for watching and stay safe, stay connected. See you all in the next video, everyone, and tell me what you like about this video. Stay safe and stay connected. See you all in the next video, and bye for now.